Do you want to be a successful entrepreneur? Then don't just float, but be the pilot in the plane. Develop your personal entrepreneurship competences. Practice using a game simulation of learn games.
Simulation games make learning from your own experiences possible.
The entrepreneurial method makes learning active, fun, and effective.
Learn the underlying entrepreneurship theory through play.
Underlying entrepreneurship theory?
The entrepreneurship theory of self-effectuation. Explained.
Effectuation theory by Sarasvathy. Sarasvathy identifies the elements of opportunity identification and new venture creation for entrepreneurs. She introduces the terms: the pilot in the plane, crazy quilt, lemonade, affordable loss, bird in the hand. Effectuation describes an approach to making decisions and performing actions in entrepreneurship processes. The self-efficacy theory by Bandura. Self-efficacy is one's belief in one's ability to succeed in specific situations or accomplish a task. These two are the input for self-effectuation. Self-effectuation builds on the decision-making principles of effectuation, combining them with the self-efficacy thought that entrepreneurs should believe in their ability to succeed. Self-effectuation explains what it takes to be a successful entrepreneur.
But what makes an entrepreneur successful?
Successful entrepreneurs cope with uncertainty by taking just one step at a time. Their approach to realizing a new business idea resembles quilting, since in both cases you regard your options and use a step-by-step approach in order to create something.
So entrepreneurs create their very own crazy quilts and do not worry about competition and strategy. Successful entrepreneurs do not wait for the perfect opportunity. They embrace surprises and evaluate opportunities based on whether the downside is acceptable. Successful entrepreneurs are in control. They are the pilot in the plane.
So these are the elements. But self-effectuation in itself does not yet deal with the need for adaptability.
We need one more piece of theory.
Action regulation theory. Individuals regulate their behavior and actions to reach their goals through a combination of planning, monitoring, and adjusting. Self-effectuation. Individuals approach problem-solving and goal-setting by taking control of their own abilities and resources, rather than solely relying on external factors. All elements influence each other as the context changes. The pilot in the plane creates his own crazy quilt of entrepreneurial success. The dynamics make this a complex process. Changes in available lemonade influence the bird in the hand and the affordable loss. The pilot in the plane directs and redirects stepwise and is in control. The possible size and shape of the quilt depends on this complex process. Entrepreneurs create their own unique crazy quilt. Let's take a closer look at the entrepreneur. The action part of action regulation theory requires that entrepreneurs are proactive, self-starting, overcoming barriers.
How to put the theory into action? Through practice in a safe environment. Like an entrepreneurship learn game. The entrepreneurial game is a fun, effective, and educational method for learning entrepreneurial skills by doing.
The entrepreneurship game offers participants the opportunity to experience entrepreneurship in a safe environment. The entrepreneurship game gives the participant insight into the operational, financial, and commercial side of entrepreneurship. The Golden Tower is awarded to the person who understands best that in playing the game he or she reached the higher level of action regulation theory. At the end of the game, the winner gets his prize. But, more importantly, all participants got a taste of entrepreneurship and made a start with their own crazy quilts.
Fraser and Fay distinguish three facets of being active: the pilot in the plane, self-starting, proactivity, and the ability to overcome barriers. All of these are present in our entrepreneurial simulation games. Check out our website for more information at learngames.info.